Hi everyone, so today I wanted to show you a few things that I bought when I was on my recent trip to Barcelona and Palma de Mallorca. So I went on vacation at the end of October. I had such a good time. It was the perfect weather when we were there, and I did just a little bit of shopping, but most of the time we were sightseeing and walking through museums. But they're just such beautiful cities in Spain that everything is a treat. So here are a few things that I bought, or that I brought back home, I should say. I always keep my maps and guides because you circle things, you make notes, so I always keep those on hand for any friends that are going, or maybe the next time I'm there. This is also kind of funny. The Evian water bottles are so cute. Look at how adorable. They're little kind of drawings on the front, little illustrations. This is totally me, and they're Barcelona, so there's the Sagrada Familia in the background. So beautiful. So I kept that just for memory's sake. Alright, so one of my favorite purchases came from Palma, and these are sunglasses. They were 45 euros, so not cheap, but they are really cool. It's this Paris brand. They're just made in China, but they're the cutest sunglasses, so you can tell I'm into red right now. So they come in this box and a little dust bag here. They're the cutest, most lightweight red sunglasses. This is how they look. I think they're quite adorable, but the best part is they're really lightweight, easy to carry around, and they seem to be great quality. The brand here is Izipizi. How adorable. So those were one of my first purchases. Next up, I went to this store called Stradivarius. I don't think I'd ever been into it before. It seemed like a popular chain, and it actually has like similar tags to Zara, so they must be owned by the same company now that I think about it. But I got this shirt, again, red lip trend. This is the most amazing kind of see-through red lipstick shirt, so I think this would be good to wear to some of my beauty preview events in the future. Just a fun way to dress up an evening look. Okay, next up we went to, actually I should show you what else I got from Stradivarius. I got some earrings. This pack of earrings was amazing. It had all sorts of studs, and then it had these great little ear jackets with pearls, and I've always wanted pearl ear jackets. Then this is like an ear cuff that climbs up your ear, or an ear climber. And this was 6 euros, so a really good find, and these are all so cute, so I love that. Now we also went to an FC Barcelona game, so we got matching long sleeve shirts. This is actually a youth size large, I think, and it's just one of the dry fit sweaters, and I love this. It's going to be really nice for colder workouts, or even just long walks, runs, anything where the weather's a bit colder. Love that. So that was a bit pricey, but worth it. Good souvenir. So something I also realized in Europe is their lingerie stores just fit me so much better. So I got some really cute like bralettes there. I got some nice navy blue because I can't find much navy blue or sizes that fit properly around my torso, I guess. So I found their sizing to fit me way better. And then all of the underwear were really adorable, so I got some nice bottoms as well. So neutrals and blues, totally awesome, and their prices were great. Like I think they were three for 35, and like they were really beautiful pieces. So I went to Intimissimi for that, and also Hunkemöller. I think it's a brand from the Netherlands or something, but yeah, Hunkemöller and Intimissimi, really fun shops. So then next I went to Kiko. This is probably my favorite shopping I did. No surprise, I always shop at Kiko when I'm in Europe now, or even in New York. I think they have a store, so love that. I got this eyeshadow stick. I have 2 of these already. This long-lasting eyeshadow stick is in 47, and it's a gorgeous pearly pink. I'll put my swatches in the blog post below. So I got this one. So they're great as eyeshadow bases. I also got a dark brown eyeliner. This one is in 04. It is a dark brown with just a hint of shimmer in it. Yeah. Actually, no, you know what? This one might be the residual shimmer from my eyeshadow. Yeah, I think it just is like practically matte, but a nice chocolate brown. I also got a cheek color. This is the Velvet Touch Cream Blush, and I have to keep this in my purse because I love touching up my blush throughout the day. So it's this nice, beautiful pink. All of these were like 5-6 euros each. It was an amazing deal. And then these ones were a bit more pricey. I can't remember how much. I can put the prices below, but I got these limited edition eyeshadows. They are the Dark Treasure Collection Metal Foil Eyeshadow. Dead. I love them. So this is number 2 Rosy Gold Glimmer. I'll just show you one of them and then I'll put the swatches below. So they're this really interesting like wet texture. I think there's something like 80% water. Actually, I think I need to press it down. This one's kind of coming up from the edges. But look at that. And then you swatch them. Oh my gosh. It's the most amazing color. It's not too creamy. Sometimes creams can just be a little too wet, but this is like the most awesome dry shadow. So it's like a dry cream. It's beautiful. So yeah, that is everything I picked up. Otherwise, I was spending all my money on food and museum fees, but it was amazing. And I have so many more photos and vlogs from the trip, so keep an eye out for those. In the meantime, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave any comments or questions below, and I will see you later. Bye!